Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use or redeem your BPI credit card points. If you're a BPI cardholder, you know how rewarding it feels to earn points on everyday purchases, but turning those points into real perks can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step, making it easy and straightforward. First off, ensure you have the BPI mobile app installed on your phone or access to the BPI website. This is your gateway to managing your points hassle-free. Start by logging into your account. Use your registered username, password, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for added security. It's quick and keeps your info safe. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Rewards or Points section. This is usually front and center on the dashboard. Here, you'll see your current points balance. Take a moment to check how many points you have accumulated. If you're short, keep swiping that card for more rewards. Next, browse the available redemption options. BPI offers a ton of exciting choices, like gift cards, merchandise, travel vouchers, or even cash back. Pick something that catches your eye, then select it and review the points required. Make sure you have enough before proceeding. Now, for the fun part, redeeming your points. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection. You might need to enter some details, like your shipping address for physical rewards, and verify the transaction. Once done, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Yay, you're all set. A couple of quick tips to maximize your points. Always check for expiration dates, as points don't last forever, and read the terms for any rewards to avoid surprises. That's it. Simple, right? Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.